Hi, I'm Kathleen Reitz and welcome to my channel. In today's demo, I'm going to show you how I create the illusion of light and atmosphere in my acrylic paintings. For this painting, I'm going to start with my darkest values first and work from dark to light. So my first layer of paint was a flat brown color, and now I'm going in with some cool gray colored glazes on top of the brown. And I've done this by adding glazing liquid to my paint. Now I'm using a silicone wedge and I'm going to start applying my first layers of floral elements to my painting. One key to this type of painting is building up lots and lots of layers. So my painting will change a lot throughout this video. Now here I'm using a filbert brush. It's a number 10 brush. And I'm using paint and glazing liquid to work that paint into the background. So throughout the entire video, I'll be alternating back and forth between my silicone wedge to apply the paint and then my filbert brush in order to soften the edges of the paint and blend it into the background. Blending this light lavender glaze into the background is already giving my painting a feeling of light and atmosphere. Now I'm bringing a little bit of a darker value back into the painting, layering it on top of some of the lighter glazes, and this is going to help give the illusion of shadow. This layering process is really important and cannot be rushed. If you're familiar with my videos and you've watched any of them in the past, know that I do most of my paintings a la prima, meaning that I do them in one session, and I really don't wait for my layers to dry in between the application of glazes. Now that my background is nearly finished, I'm going to start focusing again on flowers, and I'm just going to add some other pretty colors to this painting. I can't resist adding some beautiful pinks and purples to this painting because I absolutely love pink and love how it brings life into so many of my floral paintings. Now that I'm nearly finished with this painting, I can have some fun and just bring in some touches of unexpected color. So I brought in a pretty little peach tone. And now I'm continuing around the painting and softening some more of my edges. I'm adding some final highlights. And here's my finished painting. I hope you enjoyed today's demo. Don't forget to hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment and let me know if you have any questions. And a big thank you to everyone who has been supporting my work here on YouTube by buying my paintings and taking my online art courses. You can find a list of supplies and colors I used by checking out the box below my video. Thank you.